Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you here how you can convert Shiba Inu to USDT in Binance. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you won't miss any of these steps. So the first thing here that you're going to do is open up your Binance account and then make sure that you sign in with your verified account. Now, if you're going to your wallet section, right from here, you can find all your tokens. Then if you go to your spot, basically you just need to find your tokens here. But if you can't find your tokens right here, go to your funding and then simply take note of the tokens that you have. Now, for example, I have Shiba on my wallet. So what I'm going to do here is go to the trades button right here at the bottom middle of your screen and select convert at the top left hand corner. And from here, for example, I'm going to tap on the drop down menu and search for the Shiba Inu. So there you have it. Now on to right from here, and then I'm going to type here USDT right there, and then enter the amount you want to convert. For example, here. Now, once done, tap on the preview conversion at the bottom middle of your screen, and your Shiba Inu will be converted into USDT. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.